Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel, and now today I'm going to another video on this series, my Excel beginners to professional series. So here what we are going to see, we will start with its sharing of workbook, as we have seen in the last few videos, where we have done some formattings, we have calculated auto sum, etc. So now just continuation on this, and we are going to see how we can share the workbook with others. So there are a couple of ways to share it, and like you can share it through an email, you can share it people across your OneDrive, and also I will show you how we can share it, and these are the steps that you have to follow. Just click on file and share it. I will show how we can do that. Before that, just take a look on this and a couple of other things on the same, how we can protect our workbook. So we can protect the workbook with the structure, or you can protect a sheet also, or if you want to keep your file with password protection encryption, that can be possible in Excel. So you can protect the entire sheet, so users can view it, but they cannot edit it or they cannot add or something. If you want to keep your document encrypted with the password, that can be possible also. Like people will not open your workbook or Excel file. So let me quickly cover up some more section for this. You have to go to File, Info, and the Protect document. I will show this also. Apart from that, we have an print option available. In the printing option, what we can do, we can set orientation type for the papers. It should be printed in the portrait format or in the landscape format. Apart from that, one more thing is there in the printing of document, that is related to put some top headings. Like in Excel, we have a number of rows and columns. So it's on 65,000 rows and 256 other standard columns, and can be extendable also. So those rows and columns, if you want to repeat couple of rows and columns in every page, so that can be possible at the time of print selection area. And that you have to add the print titles. I will show that how we can include in the printing ones. So let's start and see how it's going to do with your Excel. So let me quickly show you. Okay, just go back in my Excel once again, and in the Excel, the first part, what we can do, we can just see to protect. How can we protect our workbook? So just click on review button or review option, and you can see the protect sheet is there. Currently, if I'm trying to type something, I can type it like this. Okay, but if I just clicked on protect sheet and will place the password, and here you can select whatever you want to lock it, or what level of restriction you want to apply. So just click on review and then click on protect sheet. Type the password to protect it. It will ask to reconfirm the same password. Enter it. Now the sheet is protected. If I save this file and I'm just closing this and trying to reopen it. Okay, I close that file, and if I reopen the same file and try to type something, it's giving me it's password protected. First, I need to go to review and protect that sheet with the same password. Then only I can enter it. And I can save it. So this is a way to protect your sheet. The another way is to protect your file. To protect your file, just click on File menu, click on Info, then Protect Workbook. Here you can also do the protect current sheet, restrict your access to open the files, and we have in the first option, that is protect encrypt with password. Here I can just put a password to encrypt this file. Okay, now this workbook is protected. a password is always required. So let me close this and I just save this file. Okay, let me try to reopen this workbook. See, it's asking me to enter a password. If I did not enter a correct password, it would not be. So I have to enter correct password to open this file. Okay, author would like to open the file as read only. I just pressed yes. Okay, might I have placed that also always open as read only. If I go back in info and this portion was clicked by me when I have created that file. So that's why it's always going to open in read only mode. If I don't want to keep it a file as only as root only, then it can be also removed. Same as if I open another file, you can see it's having a data. I have not put any password or anything here in this file, like here. If I check always open the file as read only, then it will ask always to open a file in the read only format, even I encrypted it or not yet, because I am author of this document when I have created this. So you can protect your files, and if you want to remove your protection, you can also remove it from here. Just go back on the second section which I discussed about the page layout. So you can just click on page layout, and from here you can set up the margins for your page printing. From here you can set up the orientation, could be portrait or could be landscape for your printing. And the print selection area, the print title. So what exactly the difference is? Print title, what it will do once I clicked on print title, it will ask me to repeat the rows at the top or columns from the left side. So what will happen now if I go and see the print from here? Okay, let me quickly select a printer any. Okay, see, you can see the printing is there. There are 7 pages to print, but I can see the heading is printed in the first page only, name and account. If I want to repeat this, what I can do, I clicked on print area, print title, sorry. I clicked on page layout, then print title. I just selected row at the top of this. So I have selected this row or this area that should be repeated. I just clicked on OK, or you can take a print preview from here also. So now what exactly happened? You can see the name account is there. If I go in the page number 2 from here, page number 3, you can see it's always the first row is repeated. So it's required when you are printing a lot of long range document, when you have a number of rows. So in that scenario, you can use and print title to keep the number of rows at the top. And same as if you want to keep the column side, you can take it left side. Currently, you have seen the grid lines, like the lines blocks are not printed. If you want to keep that lines also, you can just select on print titles, print the grid lines also. Now you can see the preview. So the grid lines, the boxes are getting printed along with this. Okay, so that's all in this short video, and I will come back soon with the next video. For the previous videos, you can just take a link which I shared in the description box, and for the next part is also available soon, and you will get the link in the description box for the next part, as well as in the same playlist series of beginners to professional Excel, Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much till that time.